One. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mahdi Mashrafi from the Food Biz Talk. I hope you're all well. Okay, today what we're going to be talking about is what I'm going to be talking about specifically is Amazon's investment in Deliveroo and what this can mean for the future online food delivery business, especially Deliveroo. So if you're staying up to date with the Amazon investment in Deliveroo, you would know Amazon has invested in Deliveroo a massive amount of 400 and not sure of the exact figure, 450 million pounds in Deliveroo. They own a 16% shareholding of Deliveroo delivery company right now to this date. So Deliveroo went about going to get funds from investors as they were suffering due to the COVID-19. As they were suffering because of COVID-19, many of the big clients such as KFC, Wagamama, and Burger King were closed, obviously due to the coronavirus, so they can keep the customers safe and the staff safe. That's why, because of this, Deliveroo was suffering in terms of revenue. The smaller brands wasn't making enough money. So they were simply running out of money to invest in obviously expansion, marketing, and their own logistics. So they went about going for funds, and in the first round, they got about 450 million pounds, and Amazon was said to be the biggest investors in that fund. But right now, Amazon owns a 16% stake of Deliveroo. The competition watchdogs of the UK are basically the people who regulate competition in order to make sure everything's fair within the market and for the customers. They approved this decision of Amazon investing in Deliveroo a massive amount and taking a stake of it. They approved this because Deliveroo said it themselves, because of the larger clients were closed, enough money wasn't coming in compared to what it used to be when they were open, and it meant that if Amazon didn't invest in Deliveroo, the business would have been collapsed. The last thing we want is for job losses and to obviously affect economy even more in a bad way. That's why the watchdogs they seen the documents stating there's no way Deliveroo would have been in business if this investment from Amazon didn't go ahead. That's the main reason why they approved the decision of Amazon investing in Deliveroo. So this money raised by Amazon and invested in Amazon will be primarily used for logistics and expansions in different countries, different states, for in order so Deliveroo can increase their brand awareness in the food delivery scene. As we know, Amazon were in the food delivery business game back in the past, and in 2016 they did close their service, the food delivery service within the UK. They do operate in other countries, they do operate in USA, but it's unlikely they would have came back to the UK. So as they do have experience in that certain field, they know how it works because they obviously do, as I said before, operate in other countries. So because they know how it works, they thought, you know what, we shouldn't let the UK off completely. There's probably money to be made there, so we might as well go with one of the biggest delivery companies, online delivery companies in the UK, other than Just Eat. So that's going to be Deliveroo, because in the UK there's three big food online delivery businesses which are very popular. So that's Just Eat, Deliveroo, and Uber Eats. Obviously, Just Eat is the market leader. That's another reason why the CMA approved this. Although that was something, sorry, that was something being a barrier against the CMA approving this, saying Amazon wouldn't return back. But in my opinion, I do believe Amazon wouldn't have returned back because they're mostly focused on their own service, which is obviously Amazon Prime, Amazon Delivery, etc. But in the future, who knows, they would have came back. I might be wrong, but I think it gives them a much bigger edge and a bigger leverage if they decide to partner up, with one of the biggest food delivery businesses in the UK. With the other businesses such as Just Eat and Domino's, they have seen this, and they have seen this being a threat to the competition and also to the customers. So Just Eat doesn't want this to be approved, or Domino's. Of course, that's the game of business. They have Amazon Prime, Amazon partner up with Deliveroo, another massive business. So of course they wouldn't want that to happen. So they will do all they can. So Domino's did create a massive 33-page document being sent to the CMA saying that this is unfair on the customers and it would reduce competition and this should not go ahead. ahead. This is a statement said by Deliveroo in order to respond to Domino's and Just Eat. It was mainly aimed for Just Eat, to respond to Just Eat, but it also answers Domino's question. The investment is a key part of Deliveroo's plan to provide an even better service to customers, riders, and restaurants. And as we are a British company, there will be a boost to the UK economy. The unprecedented health crisis we all face has disrupted businesses across the country. The investment will help us overcome immediate and long-term challenges, allow us to continue to improve our service for customers, enable us to develop new innovation and offer people even greater choice. Everyone at Deliveroo is excited that Amazon, the most customer-obsessed and innovative company in the world, has chosen to invest in Deliveroo's future. It's quite clear to see why Domino's and obviously any other food businesses should be concerned about this investment. Uber Eats as well. Deliveroo is a business. They're constantly innovating stuff. They're very smart in the way they operate, the way they market their business. During the coronavirus time, they were the only food delivery business to partner up with local supermarkets. So supermarkets basically deliver food to customers, so customers could find food, supermarket products being delivered to them straight at their door. So they're always looking for new things, looking for the next thing.
With the constant innovation, however,
Amazon, it can be, this investment can be to improve Amazon's overall service for themselves. So Amazon Prime Delivery, Amazon Delivery itself, as they partner up with Deliveroo, Amazon's focus can be obviously to give great food to customers, but at the same time they might want to improve their own products and services. So having the Deliveroo drivers in hand mean a bigger picture for them in the future, so they can use the riders to be delivering Amazon Prime products. Maybe in the future they can use the drivers to do both food and deliver parcels at the same time. So 1 minute the driver would be delivering food to the customer from a restaurant or a takeaway, and the next minute they can be delivering a parcel to the customer. Another thing to look out for, as Amazon Alexa was so they can implement Deliveroo in Amazon Alexa, which it's been a big use in UK household. You just tell Alexa, hey Alexa, can I order Indian food? And then Alexa, rather than looking at a Google search or something, they're going to be using Deliveroo third-party Deliveroo software and tailor their answer to your question. So they might look at, so if you say, hey Alexa, can I order Indian food? They will look at the Indian category within Amazon, within Deliveroo, and then give you the certain choices from that listing. Another thing which will happen, in my opinion, I think that's definitely going to happen. Deliveroo are going to be included in Amazon's website somewhere, probably at the top corner or something. So telling customers if they want to order food, just simply click on this button here, which is an icon of Deliveroo, and customers click on that icon and then simply order the food. Deliveroo is a big company and it's pretty recognizable everywhere in the UK, and takeaways because it's everywhere. So customers will immediately know that this is a reliable business. We trust Deliveroo, and as having a Deliveroo icon in the Amazon website itself can create significant boost in sales for Deliveroo, especially with the amount of traffic Amazon gains in a daily period. What can happen with Amazon and Deliveroo's partnership is that Just Eat mentioned Deliveroo will be in its prime, so I'm not sure how that will work exactly and what they meant, but I think with the Prime deal itself, you can get quicker delivery. Maybe you don't have to, if you have Amazon Prime already, you won't have to be paying for delivery. Within Deliveroo, you just simply pay for the food. This is a massive boost for Deliveroo, partnering up with Amazon, who is another customer-oriented business. When two businesses join together, the possibilities are endless, and this will by far definitely give Deliveroo a significant boost in the market share. They will in my opinion, they will overtake Uber Eats significantly, and not be Just Eat will always be at the top. I'm saying this, Just Eat takeaway, their investment, they're always going to be the market leaders in my opinion, but with this investment from Amazon in Deliveroo, it will create a significant jump, a leap for Deliveroo to be competing with Just Eat. So those are the few things I think Amazon are gonna do with Deliveroo, or Deliveroo are gonna do. Those are the few things I think Deliveroo are gonna do with the investment of Amazon and with the help of Amazon. So obviously, every other food rival companies such as Uber Eats, Just Eat, and Domino's, they should really fear this investment in Amazon, because now they're not only going against Deliveroo, but they are also going against Amazon, and Amazon is uh, the biggest company in the world, or definitely one of the biggest companies in the world. So, what these two guys can do, what these two big powerhouses can do together, it should be very interesting to see. If there's any ideas you guys think which I haven't mentioned, please do drop it down in the comment section. I'd be very interested to see. And until next time, take care. Peace.